Hello there and welcome back. We're now on cards 7 and 8. Can you believe it? I hope you're getting on okay. Let me know how you're doing. And I'm now going to make this card. Now, when I designed this, I didn't have the itty bitty at home. So this is actually from a different stamp set. So just ignore that. And as I mentioned on the previous card, I've run out of these trees. Now, if you've got trees left, you can please use those trees. I did sort of warn you not to use all your trees on the last one. So what I've done is I've done a bit of a cheat and I've stamped a tree from the In the Pines instead of those with Old Olive to just like sort of try and cheat it. And I thought that would work. And I'm using a real red card base, but again you can do Old Olive, and I've picked 2 pieces of contrasting yet coordinating paper, and I wanted like a little spine effect with the patterned papers. So the measurements that you need to cut the paper here, the length there is 14.8. So put your piece of paper in up to 14.8 and cut it down. It'll be a very small slither that you take off. It'll be about 1/2 centimetre. Then turn it round, and this measurement across here is 8 centimetres. And then take another piece. So I've used a stripey on the back. It's the, we just used the stripey, didn't we? And it's going to be 14.8 by 2.5. Okay. So I'm going to glue these straight down onto my card, and they should fill the front of your card base. I mean, it does look nice just like that with the real red. But I'm just going to put that there like that, and it should just fit. And then that will go on there like that. Okay, and then that's nice, yeah? Perfect. Now, if you want to, I'm going to use some ribbon. And I'm going to use my green because I want my Old Olive, because I want it to be contrasting. Now, this is not the easiest ribbon to tie. And I hope you've got a little bit left. You don't have to do the ribbon if you don't want to. But I'm going to have a go. As I say, it's not the easiest ribbon to tie in a bow. If you don't want to do it, just leave it. And I'm going to do it quite near to the top. Pull it quite tight. I'm going to try and do it not without the bunny ears technique and see what it turns out like. See, it's twisted a bit there, but what we can do, you see, I quite like that actually, because it's in line with the ribbon. I quite like that, Okay, so where's my ribbon scissors? Just going to trim there and trim there. All right. And now, if this is popping up a bit, you see, what we can do is we can glue this down and it'll just sort of hold it in place. I think that's too long. Oops. It'll hold it in place a little bit more then, yeah? I did raise it up on this one, but I think we could put foam pads there to hold it down. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is, I've nearly done this card already. These are quite they're not all simple cards. Obviously, the card 3 and 4 with all the little strips, that was a bit more tricky. But I've tried to do a variety of different sort of levels. I'm going to take the stamp that says Happy Christmas. And again, I've used another oval. You had 4 ovals. And I am using an oval for the last card, but a circle would work fine on it. So I'm just going to have a practice on my grid. And I'm going to pop Happy Christmas here, sort of in the middle. When I say middle, I meant from the bottom and the top. And then I'm going to take one of the deer or the stags or whatever you want to call them, I think. Oh, I don't know which one to use. I might use this one. Like that there. And I think I might not foam pad it up because its leg's going to be stuck out there. So I think I'll glue it down. Okay. And there we have cards 7 and 8 already done. I don't even know how long this video is. It's not very long. Oh, 7 minutes so far. So yeah, as I keep saying, you can stop this. I know I've crafted fast and I've prepped everything because it was just easier for me to grab time at home for filming, to have it all prepped. But I'm sure you can ask me, you can message me if you're struggling with anything, but you can pause and rewind and find, and I will write the measurements in the chat as well. So there we have cards 7 and 8, and I will be back at 2:15. Hopefully you will have 8 cards made by then. I will be back at 2:15 so you can make your last 2 cards. So I'll see you then. Bye.